So this is pure sine wave, okay? Pure sine wave. I'm powering up my 20 watts, I don't know how you pronounce it, amp, okay? And this is what I get. This is what I get. Now let me close the door. Okay. Now, weird thing is, if I touch it, it goes worse. Can you hear the difference? Ah! But if I touch this and also the base, let's see if I can. Okay, so it's terrible. Okay, right now. But if I touch both, it's good. What's going on? Why? I release my finger from the base. Look at this. Should I just, is this as good as it gets? This is 200 watts, pure sine wave, and it has, it weighs less than 2 kilos, and it can output 20 watts, 200 watts, sorry, 200, okay, of alternated current. Wait, now it's okay? No, now it's just... Okay, now my amp kind of fainted, whatever. But yeah, what should I do? I mean, the other amp does the same. My Rumble, it does the same. I don't know what to do.